guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shirley. So today I'm going to take you all through my weekly pamper routine. So this video includes all the hair care, skin care, all the posha things which I do on a weekly basis, which is must for all my glowing skin and hair. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do for more such content. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. To start with, first I use this wooden comb to detangle my hair. Stop using the plastic one guys, cause wooden combs improves blood circulation and reduces hair breakage. I'm a greasy scalp person, so like just in 2 days my scalp turns oily. So that day I didn't apply any oil before. As per the temperature, never use hot water on your hair, always use lukewarm water and finish it off with cold water. For the shampoo, I'm going in with my Pilgrim Patua and Keratin Smoothing Shampoo, which was sent to me by the brand. It makes my hair soft and shiny. Then I use the scalp massager to gently exfoliate and massage my scalp. After rinsing, I go on with this hair mask by Love and Beauty Planet, which contains argan oil and lavender. Hair masks are a pure gem product, you guys. It just makes your hair so lively. I let it sit on my hair for 10 minutes and tab tak I do all the body care things. So starting with this body scrub from Earth Rhythm, which contains coffee and rice milk. I have recently bought this and it's so good and makes my skin literally glow. For the body wash, I'm using this French Rose and Almond Oil Luxe Body Wash. It's so affordable and smells so good, and I literally lather it up on and spread it all over my body. Going on with some shaving, I'm using this Carmesy body razor. Lastly, for the conditioner, I'm using this Wow Science Rosemary and Biotin conditioner, spreading it up on my ends and leaving on for 10 minutes. Now all the shower thingy is done. Next on, it's very important to use a microfiber towel while drying your hair because that will ensure you are not getting any frizzy hair. Next on, I'm going with the Vaseline Gluta-High body lotion. I previously had used the other variant of this. Guys, Vaseline has made such good body lotions. You must try this one. It smells heaven. Next, I'm using this body oil from Find Your Happy Place, which contains chamomile and rosemary. Body oils are such a product which locks in all the moisture within the body. Let's start with skincare now. I firstly have my bunny hairband on to keep all my hair away. Then going on with the face wash, currently I'm using this Bioderma Gel Mucin. I take a pump and emulsify it on my wet face and massage it for around half a minute and then wash it off. For the face shaving, I'm going on with this Carmesy face razor and aloe vera gel and very patiently gliding it through my face and removing all the peachy fuzz. So for the mask, I chose today the O3 Professional Detan Mask. This mask was under a good rating, so I bought this. So taking a small amount on my mask applicator and sweeping it all over my face for an even application. I always like to use my mask on a wet face so it doesn't dry out while applying. I keep it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. So the next step is my favorite one, which is a toner. This one's from Simple. Simple products are too good and I highly recommend it. So the most important step, always use your toners while your skin is wet. It will allow the product to penetrate better into your skin and pat it on the skin. And quickly going on with the hyaluronic acid serum from Foxtail. So just like toner, hyaluronic acid should be applied while the face is wet. If you apply it on a dry face, it tends to suck away all the moisture which your skin already has. Next, for the moisturizer, I'm using this Cosrx Nail 92 all-in-one cream. It has a slimy texture and after you blend it, it gives you a 10 on 10 hydration level. Blending it all in, and now I'm using my Gua Sha tool to sculpt my face, improve blood circulation and gives you that amazing glow. Now for the last and the most important part for this summers is the sunscreen from Dot & Key. It's their barrier repair sunscreen. Now guys, if you're doing all the above skincare and not using a sunscreen religiously, there will be no benefits from the above procedures. Now for the lips, I'm going on with this Dot & Key's lip plumping mask. Now I keep switching on between all my lip balms. I can't keep applying just one. In the day, I prefer to use a lip balm with SPF. Then for my hair, I'm going on with this L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture Night Cream. I apply it on my ends. I really like this product. It just moisturizes my hair and tames all the frizz down. Now before blow drying my hair, I always go on with the heat protectant spray. This one's from Keytains. And finally ending it up with blow drying my hair with this Alan Truman blow brush. And this is my weekly pamper routine. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.